Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you all have a safe and wonderful Christmas.
Christmas
To everyone.
that's wonderful.
Yeah. Going to open our Christmas gifts. So you wanna start, Baba? Which one do you wanna start?
Open this one. So this is the one, and I got clothes. I got clothes.
Yeah. What you got? You got a Fila shirt
And
and a Fila shorts and another Fila shirt and then another one,
another Felix
the
shirt.
red one, a Fila shirt
And another Felix shirt.
and another shirt. Yay!
Oh, there was.
I'll open this one first.
Yeah,
So I got this. This is from.
me.
Thank you, Baba. Love you.
Love you.
Thank you. They're so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get a necklace. Is this a necklace, Bob?
Yeah, but so one of them was broken.
Oh, why is it broken?
One of them is, but
What is this? What is this for?
I don't know. I don't know what they are. It just looks very beautiful, and they only cost $15.
Yeah, so Baba got me these, and they're so cute. So, thank you, Baba.
You're welcome. I got this heavy one. This is the one I'm opening next. And I don't know who it's from. So just open it.
That's from Uma and Opa.
My grandma and my
This is
There's a
from.
and there's a bunch of lollies inside, I assume. There's a bunch of lollies.
Oh, lollies. So that's from Grandma and Grandpa.
But who's called Umanupa?
We'll see what's in here. Yay!
What is it?
So I got this one. So this is a 3-in-1 charger. So I can charge my Apple Watch here, and then I can charge my phone wireless, and then I can charge my diffuser or my computer in here. So yeah,
And it's from
Santa again.
Saga. Going to open this one. A yo-yo. Yay! It's a yo-yo.
It's with lights. It's a yo-yo with lights.
This is a yo-yo with lights.
Yeah. We'll open this one first. It has a card. It says to Gina. And it's a chocolate. It's a box of chocolate.
You're gonna share with me, right?
Yes.
Yay!
Mommy doesn't like chocolate, so Baba's gonna have it. So it
Because
says.
my mom's a vegetarian.
I'm not vegetarian.
Eat meat though?
Yeah, I eat chicken. So from my supervisor, so it says to Gina, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for everything you have done in 2020 from Jason.
It's from
It's from Uncle Vaughn.
So it's from It's a Batman car! That's a huge Batman car! What are you? It's a Batman!
Yeah.
The Batman jumps out. The Batman jumps out of the freaking car.
Yay! Do you like it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna open this one next.
The golden one. Is it money?
No, it's a Michael Kors handbag.
Oh, it
Yay.
sounded like money.
Yeah, and it's white. Yeah,
From?
that's from Mommy.
From you, Mom.
Yeah.
I can do a lot of ripping with my flipping hands.
What's that?
It's a frisbee that can light up in rainbows.
Yeah.
It's a frisbee that can light up with rainbows.
Yeah, that's so cool. I'm gonna open this one. This is from work. Wow, it's another chocolate. Yay, thank
I'm
you.
gonna need to eat a lot of chocolate.
Yeah.
Definitely. Next one, what I'm going to do. Next one. And it's from.
It's
no
from
one.
Daddy.
Oh, it's from my dad. Something about it. I have a lot of paper. Whoa, it's a black panther. It's one of my collection. Thank you, Dad. If you're going to watch this.
This is this one, so and it has a card, so I got a card. I already opened the card. So yeah, so I got a card, and then I got a gift card from Meyer. It was $150, so yeah. And it start with the small one. So
And who's it from?
it's from my housemates. Yay, I get tea from tea too, and they're really good. They're the best tea. Yeah. Can't wait to eat this. And then we're gonna open the big one. Hey, and this is from tea too. This is a tea jug. So yeah, this is so cute. And this is how it looks like. Oh my god, I love tea. Tea's here.
I might drink all of the tea.
Yeah, Baba loves tea too.
Yeah. I do not know who it's from though. Ah. Expecting my mom gave this to me.
Yeah.
So this is my Spider-Man, but it's actually Michael Rags as a Venom.
This one is from Baba.
Yeah,
Thanks,
me.
Baba. Love you, Baba.
My roommate is called John.
Yeah, this one's John. I'll see what. And he made a cover as well. Like, look, he made this. Oh, so cute. Oh, this so cute, Baba. Oh no! What is this?
It's a pot.
Oh, it's a pot. Oh no, it's so cute. He got me a pot.
Oh, this and there's soil and what's this?
Oh, and there's plants in here. I'm not gonna open it. So there's plants and
What is
it's
this?
everlasting love. So his teacher is the one helping him to make this.
Oh, there's seeds.
And this is so
There's seeds in
cute.
here.
Are there more seeds? Okay.
That's actually the soil. That's actually the
Oh.
soil.
Look, this is so cute.
And I made this. I made the drawings of this.
Yeah. And
With
this
the
is
ink?
from your school.
Yeah.
Your teacher helped you to make this. Thanks,
And,
Baba.
and I got one more thing.
Yeah, he made it on as well.
Yeah.
You're so sweet, Baba. Thank you.
Be careful with that though.
Yeah, with this plant.
And please stay tuned for this video for the last piece. And this is a venom.
Yeah.
Sorry for covering up your face, Mom.
And the next one that I got, so I got this from my flatmate, and I already opened it. They have to go home for Christmas, so I got these. He gave me it from the body shop, and they're just so cute. I love it. This is my favorite. So Yeah, he got me a bunch of stuff inside. There's like a set of, see, there's lots of stuff in here and they're just so cute. And this is a really good brand, like this is just so good and I can't wait to use this. And it comes with brush, hair brush.
Yeah. This one?
Body, I don't know what's it called, and it comes with this one as well. And this, when you do the skincare, so you do this. And they're just so cute.
And the very heavy one, the biggest one.
Yeah, and Baba got the really big one. What's inside?
Oh. A Xbox with a... Let me see what this is. Oh, a bunch of games.
Yeah, so it's an Xbox, guys. It's got an Xbox with games on it. So we don't really want to open it because it's too big. I'm gonna open this. So let's see what's
And
in.
I got the biggest one.
Oh, Aldo. Yay!
Are you kidding?
Yay! Look at this. They're platform, guys. I love platforms. Like,
So guys, you know why? So the reason why my mom likes this because she buys a lot of shoes. Seriously, a lot of shoes. No, it's just me.
yeah, I love shoes. Like if you know me, like of all the things, I love shoes. Like I have probably 100 pair of shoes now. So
What?
there.
And stay tuned for this one, the last.
That's the last one. Yeah. Open that one. Get the scissors.
Whoa, that's a lot of candies. There's too much stuff that we can't even find the scissors. So was it?
Yeah, so that's what Papa got. Oh, that's a chocolate.
Oh, even a Kinder Egg.
Yeah. That's heaps. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to eat a lot of something.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
The best ones. These are the good ones.
Do not eat them.
I'm gonna try one. Can I try one?
Yeah, of course you can. Then can I have something?
Can I have half?
I love to eat it all.
So good.
Can I? Am I allowed to have a bit of something?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it close. I'm gonna have half of this.
And then while Baba is having the burger, lollies. So this is a gift for myself. So I bought this. So I didn't pack it because I know already what's in here. But I haven't opened this one yet. So yeah, so it's for my Michael Kors. And it's the shoes.
Don't worry, guys.
Come here. Just come here.
Okay.
Just eat it. So yeah, this is what I get for myself for Christmas. Look, I'm so cute. I can't wait to wear them. So
You can see what I mean.
yeah, I get for myself. Like, why not?
So you know, my mom has 101 shoes.
And then, so I also bought this. I got this from, it's an Aldo. So it's another shoes.
Clearly see what I mean,
Oh, look how pretty they are. Are you ready to open your last present?
right? Ready?
No, you have to.
There we go. I'm ready.
Yeah. Show it.
So this is the last present. And
Do you want to guess what's in there?
yeah.
What's your guess?
I take it to Batman.
The small Batman.
Yeah. I
Just use
just
your
want
hands.
to do it with bare-handed, okay? I'm more bare-handed. I got a phone.
What is it?
I got a phone. This is my first phone.
Show it to them.
A phone.
Do you want to open it? It's a brand new one. Hold it. Wait, I'm gonna show mine as well. So those who are following me on Instagram, I won an iPhone. It's an iPhone 11 Pro. It's from charity businesses. It's giveaways on Instagram, and like I wrap it because they're just so special, and then that's why I put it on the last, and they're just so cute. I'm just gonna show you it again to you. I'm just going to show it again to you, and I haven't opened it yet.
I got a V12.
Yay!
I got a V12.
Shoot. We get phone! Yay!
Yeah.
We get phone. Do you want to open your phone first?
Yeah.
So I got him a phone, guys, because he keeps playing on my phone, and yeah, it's cheaper to get him a phone than to fix my phone if he won't drop it or destroy it. So yeah, so I just got him. It's not an iPhone. It's a Vivo Y12. So I never used Vivo before. So yeah, I got it from JB Hi-Fi, and apparently it's a good phone. Like the camera is not bad.
I can put this.
Oh, it comes with a cover.
It's
The cover.
And it comes with the freaking charger. That's
So
amazing.
it's the charger. Be careful. Don't hold the camera. Yay! Yeah,
I'm
that's
only a 6-year-old. Guys, I'm only a 6-year-old.
Oh, are you happy, Baba?
Of course I'm happy. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you. Love you. Oh, you get a phone now. You don't have to borrow mommy's phone. There, it's working. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you needed to charge it first.
Yeah. Should I open mine or not? I don't
You
want
should
to open it.
You should open it.
So this is an iPhone 11. I got this like mid of December, but I haven't opened it because I've been waiting this for the like Christmas day. So yeah, it's a color white. Now he's so busy with his phone and he's not talking to me anymore. So yeah, it comes with the charger, of course, and that's what the phone looks like, and it's white. So my other phone, mine was the 11 Pro Max. So I got a gold one, and this one is I got the white one. So. Yeah. Thank you. So thank you so much for watching, guys. That's all for our
and make sure to hit the bell and subscribe.
Thank you so much, guys, and have a Merry Christmas. And
Yeah.
please don't forget to like and subscribe, or you can share the video as well. So thank you so much.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.
Yay.
And I did the dab with
Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Peace out.